Hello world, how are you? Hope you are doing well. In this video we will talk about these are Microsoft's top 3 most popular open source GitHub repositories. Microsoft acquired GitHub for $7.5 billion back in 2018, and even before then, it has been a major customer of the platform, like many other tech firms. We thought that it would be interesting to look at the most popular open source repositories hosted by GitHub's owner. In this listicle, we will list the top 10 open-source GitHub repositories developed and maintained by Microsoft, ordered by their number of stars along with some pertinent stats and a brief excerpt from the official description. Without further ado, let's begin. 1. VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code logo on a black background. Primary programming language, TypeScript, 93.8%. Stars, 131,000 watching, 3,100 forks, 22,300 description. Visual Studio Code is a distribution of the Code OS repository with Microsoft-specific customizations released under a traditional Microsoft product license. Visual Studio Code combines the simplicity of a code editor with what developers need for their core edit build debug cycle. It provides comprehensive code editing, navigation, and understanding support along with lightweight debugging, a rich extensibility model, and lightweight integration with existing tools. Visual Studio Code is updated monthly with new features and bug fixes. You can download it for Windows, macOS, and Linux on Visual Studio Code's website. To get the latest releases every day, install the Insider's build. Repository URL, VS Code. 2. Terminal, the new Windows terminal and the original Windows console host, all in the same place. A screenshot of Windows terminal with its Windows 11 UI primary programming language, C++, 94.6%. Stars, 82,800 watching, 1,300 forks, 7,300 description. This repository contains the source code for Windows Terminal Preview, the Windows Console Host, conhost.x, components shared between the two projects, color tool sample projects that show how to consume the Windows Console API's repository URL, terminal. 3. TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript that compiles to clean JavaScript output. TypeScript primary programming language, TypeScript, 100%. Stars, 80,300 watching, 2,100 forks, 10,500 description. TypeScript is a language for application-scale JavaScript. TypeScript adds optional types to JavaScript that support tools for large-scale JavaScript applications for any browser, for any host, on any OS. TypeScript compiles to readable, standards-based JavaScript. Repository URL, TypeScript.